guys, Run with Nolan here, and let me turn the flash off real quick. Alright, hey guys, Run with Nolan here, and today we are going to be doing two vlogs in one day, and also the last vlog I did, it was supposed to be awesome technology, but I typed it up wrong, so that, yeah, and I legit just ordered a really cool fidget spinner, on eBay, Amazon, for $5. And so here it is. This is the one that I ordered. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Now let me show you some more images. Let me zoom out a little bit. Sorry, guys. Wait, guys, let me zoom out. See, it's really cool. That's really all I wanted to show in this video, so bye.